Hello everyone. Beta, today I will now take question number 2023, question number 6A, right? Just give me a minute. Let me see for how many marks this question was asked. This question came for 4 marks. Okay, let's read the question. It says, for the following function defined on R square, find the critical point, classify them as maxima, minima, or saddle, and you are given a function, right? So let's start, beta. So first of all, I will find the first order derivative. So I will get 4x cube plus 2x minus 6y. This will be my first order derivative with respect to x. Then with respect to y, beta, I will get minus 6x plus 6y, right? So if I will be equating my first order derivative both to 0, right? When I will equate both to 0. So from this equation, beta, I will get minus 6x minus y equal to 0. So x equal to y. And if I will be putting this in my first equation, I will get 4x cube plus 2x minus 6x equal to 0. So 4x cube minus 4x equal to 0. So 4x, x square minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0. X square equal to 1. X equal to plus minus 1. X equal to plus minus 1. So we will have three values of x. X can either be 0, x can either be 1, or x can be minus 1. But when x is 0, because y is equal to x, y will be 0. When x is 1, y is equal to x, y will be 1. When x is minus 1, y is equal to x, y will also be minus 1. Is this clear? बहुत simple है, अभी हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया. I have just found out the first order derivative. I found out f dash x, f dash y, equated them to 0 and found out the values. अब हम क्या करेंगे ना, I will go ahead and I will find out the second order derivative. So I will double differentiate the function with respect to x, and I will get 12x square plus 2, right? Let's call this as a beta. I will differentiate this function with respect to y again, and I will get 6, right? And let's call this as c. And I will differentiate this function with respect to x beta. And I will get minus 6, and I will call this as b. I will call this as b. Is this clear? Now what I will go ahead and do, I will find out AC minus b square. So AC minus b square means, what is my a beta? A is 12x square plus 2. So 12x square plus 2. C is 6 minus b square is minus 6 whole square. So 72x square plus 12 minus 36. So 72x square minus 24. 72x square minus 24. Is this clear? Is this making sense? Okay. So if this is 72x square minus 24, so 12, if I take 12 common, I will get 6x square minus 2. I can take 2 also common. So I will get 3x square minus 1. Now let us go ahead and let us try to evaluate the points. So point number 1 is 0, 0. At this point, I am evaluating AC minus b square. So I will get 24, 0 minus 1. That means minus 24, right? Now, so this is less than 0. So it becomes a saddle point, right? Now let me go ahead and let me try to evaluate it at, say, 1, 1. So I will get 24, 3 minus 1, that means 24 into 2, that means 48. I will get the answer as 48, which is greater than 0, therefore, minima. And the third point that I will get will be minus 1, minus 1. So this will be 24, and I will get the same answer, 3 minus 1. That means 48, which is greater than 0, therefore, minima. right? So try to see here that, so we have got that our B in this case, that is less than 0, our C in this case, that is greater than 0, and we have found out the condition for AC minus B square beta. है ना? AC minus B square, I am getting negative, so saddle point. Right here, I am getting the answer as positive, so minima, and same answer, so minima. So we have been able to go ahead and evaluate these points. एक बारी के लिए ना, you should revise all these 3 points well. ठीक है? So let's just revise them once. Conditions are beta. If A is less than 0, AC minus B square is greater than 0, then it is a local maxima. यहाँ देखो, here A is coming positive. A का वैल्यू क्या था? A was this बेटा. देखो ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करना. हाँ, हमारा जो A है that is this 12x square plus 2. So when I will go ahead and when I will be putting x as 1, I will get 12 plus 2, that means 14. है ना? And when I will be putting x as minus 1, then also I will be getting 12 plus 2, that means 14. तो जो मेरा a आ रहा है, and when I will put x as 0 also, then I will get 0 plus 2, that means 2. So my a is coming positive. Maxima के लिए we require that a should be negative and ac minus b square should be positive. तो this is eliminated क्योंकि a ही positive आ रहा है. Then we go to the next condition. If your a is positive and ac minus b square is also positive, then it is a local minima. तो ये वाले cases हो गए. A is coming out to be positive. And AC minus B square is also coming out to be positive, so local minima. Then third beta, if your AC minus B square is coming out to be negative, then it is a saddle point. Then it is a saddle point. So this is happening here beta. AC minus B square is coming out to be negative, so it is a saddle point. And fourth, if your AC minus B square is equal to 0, then it can be maximum, minimum or saddle point. तो you need to remember these 4 conditions well. अगर आप ये conditions अच्छे से कर लोगे तो you will be able to solve the solution. A क्या था? What was A? I hope you remember all of this, हाँ? तो जब हमने ये A निकाला था, this A was this double derivative with respect to x. B was this. ये जब हम बनाते हैं तो this is A, B, B, C. This is A beta. है ना? So I want this to be positive and I need this determinant. This is what I'm evaluating. So if this is positive and determinant is also positive, then minima. If this is negative but determinant is positive, so maxima. But if determinant itself is negative, so saddle point. Now it is clear? Okay, beta. Thank you.